Imagine that nothing stands between you and total comfort, safety and control. Imagine that the freedom of crossing the ocean is equaled only by the speed and performance of your sailboat. Imagine Pegasus. Marco Pasch has been designing boats most of his adult life. During the past 25 years, he has established himself globally. During this period, he also managed to develop the most expensive Slovenian serial product, the Shipman by Seaway. After completing the last project for a bigger company, he decided to strike it out on his own and, together with a couple of partners, formed Pegasus Yachts.
My name is Marco Pasch. I'm a co-founder of Pegasus Yachts. We are on Pegasus 50 sailing boat, which is the latest development of our company. The boat, the sailing boat, is meant for the owners to sail across the oceans and to live longer time on board. As a designer of Pegasus 50, I have 25 years experience into designing and engineering pleasure boats, sailing boats and motorboats. And Pegasus 50 is the most advanced product which I have developed in my career. During previous projects, we have followed users and owners to understand how they use the boat, and from the information we gathered, we were trying to create an experience for the new owners to increase comfort, to improve ease of handling, ease of sailing, and improve performance of our products. On top of performance, we wanted at the same time offer a maximum comfort and maximum feel of freedom on board. Pegasus 50 was also nominated for Blue Water Cruiser Boat of the Year. This is the most demanding category. As I said, the boats have to be extremely safe and extremely durable to take people across the oceans into all kind of weather environment. We believe we created a premium product by being honest to the product, being honest to the solutions we are offering. We wanted to transfer this honesty and this precision also into the sales process. So we were closely working with our friends, Frodix, to find out what would be the best way to market, to find clients on the market. And after extensive discussions, we decided to use HubSpot software and their potential to find clients, to follow how they are using our web page, what is in their interest.
The innovation didn't end with the Pegasus 50 sailing boat, of course. Like with the latter, the team wanted to use a different approach when it comes to marketing and selling the actual product. The way all the other sailboat manufacturers do it mostly hasn't changed for years and still remains very conservative. To change this, the Pegasus team sought the help of Frodix, where HubSpot technology was leveraged to connect marketing and sales in a wholesome end-to-end process.
We really wanted to be precise in terms of periodical communication, so that we know exactly that every 2 weeks or so we deliver a newsletter which is precisely there without need of additional thinking that we have to do that. So this was extremely useful tool. The automated process is actually upgrade of a previous, let's say, very conventional approach to selling boats. Let's say previous projects or previous boats we designed and built, we were doing magazine tests and then waiting actually for for the response from the market, hoping that we or our sales representative will be contacted. But here we try to take active role to promote ourselves and be one step in front of our potential clients. We are using HubSpot program also for following the sales process. So what I can say with HubSpot, what we experienced with the system we have now, we know and we understand our customers without going to the boat shows and without talking to them, just contacting them through electronical channels and without talking to them, we know who they are and what they expect from us and our product. When we make a first handshake, we really know our clients. We know who they are. We know what their interests in our products are. So it's much easier to start a real one-to-one discussion after all this experience with HubSpot program. Pegasus 50 is around 1 million euro price tag, and I was a little bit skeptical at the beginning if it's possible to offer such a premium product on the market only through electronical or internet channels. But what we are seeing now is that this is perfectly possible, and it's perfectly fit also for such premium products to use HubSpot to follow, to gather client base and to follow them during the sales process.
We approach by analyzing the business development practice in nautical industry, and we are very surprised. They still remain pretty conservative in many aspects. The primary role is still performed by publishing boat reviews in magazines. That's fine for building awareness, but marketing role ends here. Manufacturers leave the rest of the sales process to that somebody will call the sales rep. They do not control complete marketing and sales process. In Frodix, we called that a problem of broken funnel. For Pegasus Yachts, we transformed that approach. Using HubSpot technology, we found a way how to connect marketing and sales activities and control the customer journey. From the awareness phase to the end of acquisition phase. Our main focus was how to use traffic generated by magazines and boat reviews to convert these prospects and control their interests, the whole buying journey. And that's the way how we helped Pegasus Yachts to build and nurture digital relationship with potential customers even before first handshake, live handshake. Summing up Pegasus' success is simple. Marco is an incredible designer. He imagined people's experience while at sea, which means that the product will be different from anything else and surpass the customer's expectations. Having total experience in mind, he was smart to think about the buying experience too. From Frodix perspective, clients like Pegasus are far and few between. Being an innovator in field of marketing and sales, we only wish for more clients like this.